Hi, my name is Amy, and thank you very much for watching. I'm not sure if I'm ever even going to post this, but hey, look, sweetheart, we got new plants. Um, so this is going to be, I'm only going to get 2 or 3 packages this year because I went a little crazy last year. But let's look, sweetie, what's in here? Ooh, so I haven't opened it. I just was too lazy to get a marker to black out my address. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm expecting 5 things, so hopefully they put in something to help with the, because I'm dumb and I ordered in winter. So this is the Grand Duke Jasmine, which how can I do this? Oh no. Okay, so these people, they included the Grand Duke Jasmine marker, and this is going to be really awkward with just one hand, but ooh, look at this. Okay. The leaf just fell off. Okay. This is the Grand Duke Jasmine. I just pulled it out. I haven't even taken this cellophane off, but from what I can tell here, it's damp, but not super too moist. The leaves have look like that. I'm not actually sure if that's a healthy sign or not, but I'm just gonna, and I'm not sure if this is supposed to be colored like that. Maybe I should have done more research. Is that Mom's new jasmine plant that you're never gonna touch again? Yeah. She's just checking out what is all this. I'm about halfway through because I have the Stevia in my lap. And I got the Vicks Plant in my lap. And this is the Stevia plant. Meg, wait, you're going to show everyone the Vicks Plant too? Which one do you like the most so far? Does it smell strong? Well, these are all 5 plants. This is the orange mint. This is the chocolate mint, which I'm really super glad that these mints look different at least, and they smell a lot different. This is the Grand Duke Jasmine. This is the Vicks Plant, which is basically the most impulsive thing I've ever purchased, but hopefully this will like my wall pretty much well. I've noticed that there's a few leaves here that I'm gonna have to, pinch off, but I think overall this is pretty healthy. And then the Stevia. The seller recommends that I just pot these right away and just give them a bunch of water and just don't put them into sunlight for about a week. So I wasn't going to put them directly into their PICO pots right away, but since they didn't come in a pot, I don't know what to do with them otherwise. So there's that. Oh, I think I thought this is pretty, but I think that this leaf is dead. But it's still pretty. Is our work here never done? I think Megway likes the I would say she likes the chocolate plant better. Which one do you like the best? Okay, so for at least a week, this is not going to work. You're not supposed to disturb the roots for about a week, and yeah. So I'm gonna find some temporary housing.